Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Gillian here. Very excited about today's video. We're going to be showing you how to make the best lettuce wraps you've ever had in your entire life, otherwise known as fresh rolls. They're super tasty. We have my gorgeous friend Sophie here as well. Hi Sophie.
Hi. I'm going to be showing you guys how to chop these ingredients and put the rolls together. Here we have Boston lettuce, or also known as butter lettuce, cucumber, carrots, mango, avocado, cilantro, and mint.
And the Boston lettuce, I might add, is great for the wraps. It makes them look super beautiful, taste amazing, and it's not heavy like some of the other breaded wraps you may have. And also, if you know any other suggestions to use in replacement of the Boston lettuce, please do comment down below a good wrap suggestion, because I'm always open to different ideas. I am also going to be showing you how to make the best dip that complements these wraps ever. It's a great balance of sweet and spicy. It involves hemp hearts, paprika, chipotle powder, lemon, and dates, and I will put the exact recipe at the end of this video for you. Right now I'm off to make these, and Sophie will get started on cutting the ingredients. Here's where we're at. I just got back from making the dip. It's absolutely delicious. I blended the ingredients together, and like I said at the end of this video, I will show you the recipe for this. So I will now hand it off to Sophie.
I chopped up all these ingredients, as you just saw, and now we're going to show you how to put together your lettuce wrap. I like to put my herbs in first, some cilantro and mint, a piece of avocado, some mango, a few carrot matchsticks, and your cucumber, and just roll it all together and dip.
So delicious. These are one of my favorite meals ever of all time. That's it for today's video. Tune into my channel for more weekly videos just like this one, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.